Fixture grouping in the Lightshark is a way that you are able to quickly and easily manipulate larger amounts of fixtures while you're programming. It's a great way to save yourself time and frustration while you program, and is definitely going to make you love the Lightshark even more. Let's go ahead and start by selecting our Sharpies. Now, we'll press the left arrow here, and I'm also going to press highlight so that it's visual what's going on. Now we have the ability, with these previous next buttons and the new grouping options, to be able to select different fixture groupings and work with them live and on the fly. For example, if I set single, you can see as I tab through next, it goes one fixture at a time. If I do every two, you see I get half and half. Mirrored to is one that I like because you get the two last ones, you get everything mirrored based on selection order. Let's just go ahead and do every two for a second and show you how this can work in practical programming. If I now go to my color palettes, I'll go ahead and I'm going to turn off highlight and press find. So now I've only found half of them. I'll select a color. I'll hit next. Now I can find the other half and select a color. As you can see, it's now significantly easier and faster to select groups of lights within groups like every other fixture, and then apply attributes to them. This is going to make your life easier and make your programming experience even better on the Lightshark. Go give it a try today and check out our channel here on YouTube for even more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of the Lightshark.